Today's video, I'm going to show you how to change out a halogen light bulb. Start by removing the shade. So on this one, we just lift up past the bottom tabs here. Halogen light bulbs are extremely hot. So I'm going to turn the lights off, let it cool down. When we have this kind of base, what we're going to do is we're going to push it to one side or the other. They're spring-loaded sockets, and we're just going to push it enough so we can get the other one side out and then pull the whole bulb out of the fixture. Take it with you to the store so you get the exact same one as far as length. I broke this one, but as far as the length, the sockets, as well as the wattage. When you have one bulb that burns out, your best bet is to replace both of them because there's a good chance that the other one is not too far behind. With halogen bulbs, you don't want to be touching them with your bare hands. So I recommend using a pair of latex gloves, a paper towel, Kleenex, anything so that you're not actually getting the oils on your fingers on the bulb because it can cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Put the bulb in by putting one side into the base, giving it a good push. These are spring-loaded, so it's easier to do this with two hands. So what we're going to do is we're going to put one side in, give it a good push to the left, and then as we're doing that, we're going to push this right side back into this groove, making sure we've got a nice snug fit and both sockets are securely in the bases. If there's any bulb protector, we're going to go ahead and put that back on. This one is just got some clips and it just pushes into place. Put the light shade back in. Always best to do that with two hands so you don't accidentally drop anything and break it. And now for the moment of truth. Perfect. The main takeaway is just to not touch them with your bare fingertips, okay? Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.